Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English speaking practice session. Today we are going to talk about something that can completely change your life. That word is discipline. Many people think discipline is boring. Some people think discipline means strict rules and no fun. But in reality, discipline is freedom. Yes, you heard that right. Discipline gives you freedom. Freedom from stress, freedom from laziness, and freedom from regret. Let us understand how. What is discipline? Discipline means doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. For example, waking up early when you want to sleep more, studying when you feel lazy, exercising when you want to relax, practicing English daily even when you are tired. Discipline is choosing long-term success over short-term comfort. Discipline versus motivation. Many people wait for motivation. I will start when I feel motivated. But motivation is temporary. Some days you feel excited. Some days you feel lazy. If you depend only on motivation, you will stop easily. Discipline is different. Discipline says, I will do it anyway. Even if you feel bored, even if you feel tired, even as nobody is watching. That is real strength. Daily discipline example. Let us imagine two students. Student A studies only when exams are near. Student B studies 1 hour every day. After 1 year, who will be more confident? Of course, student B. Small daily effort creates big results. If you practice English for just 20 minutes daily, in 6 months, you will speak much better. Consistency beats intensity. Discipline builds confidence. When you keep promises to yourself, your self-respect increases. For example, if you say, I will wake up at 6 a.m., and you actually wake up at 6 a.m., you feel proud. But if you break your promise again and again, your confidence decreases. So discipline is not only about success. It is about building trust with yourself. Discipline in the digital world. Today, distractions are everywhere. Mobile phones, social media, short videos, notifications. It is easy to waste hours without realizing it. Discipline means controlling your time. You can enjoy entertainment, but with limits. Ask yourself, is this helping my growth? Am I using my time wisely? Time once lost never comes back. Speaking practice section. Now let us practice speaking. Repeat after me. Discipline helps me achieve my goals. I do not wait for motivation. I take action. Small daily habits create big success. I control my time. My time does not control me. Say it slowly. Then say it confidently. How to build discipline. Here are simple steps. Start small. Do not try to change everything at once. Set clear goals. Know what you want. Make a routine. Fixed study time. Fixed practice time. Avoid excuses. Excuses destroy progress. Track your progress. Even small improvement matters. Remember, discipline is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Final message. Your future depends on what you do daily. Not on what you say, not on what you plan, but on what you actually do. If you develop discipline today, your future self will thank you. Don't wait for the perfect day. Start now. One small step, one small habit, one small improvement,